Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down, or you will scrolling down until you find the NFL app. Here we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your